Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about class 8 ICSE course chapter number 6 of chemistry, that is chemical reactions. So today we are going to discuss about the short question answers of this chapter. Choose the correct option. Objective questions. First, in which of the following reactions will heat will be evolved? A. The formation of NO in lightning. B. The formation of HI to form hydrogen and iodine. C. The decomposition of limestone. And D. The thickening of lime. So, in the shaking of lime, when we talk about limestone, in which you have seen in the homes that when you dip the limestone in the water, some bubbles come out. This is because the energy is generated whenever the limestone is kept in the water, as the limestone is containing some amount of carbon in it. Second one, in which of the following reaction will light will be absorbed? Photosynthesis, respiration, burning of sulfur, and burning of magnesium. So the answer is photosynthesis, as in the process of photosynthesis the light absorb the sunlight to make their food. So in this process water and minerals, chlorophyll, soil, etc. are needed for this process to make that plant will make their own food, but sunlight is also important. Then, which of the following equation represent the double decomposition reaction? So, the answer is AgNO3 plus NaCl forms AgCl plus NaNO3. This is because NaNO3 and NaCl they are changing their places by the decomposition method 2 times. So that's why this is the reaction in which double decomposition reaction takes place. Match the columns A and B. N2O. So N2O is a neutral oxide. N2O5. So N2O5 is the anhydride of nitric acid. SO2. SO2 is the anhydride of sulfurous acid. SO3 is the anhydride of sulfuric acid. When ignited in air, magnesium burns with a dash flame, white or yellow. So as some in the magnesium, some amount of oxygen is present. So when oxygen is not present, if we imagine, so it will be sparkled in yellow color, but as the magnesium oxide is containing some amounts of oxygen, so that's why the dazzling flame will be white. Then a dash of iron and sulfur consists gray and yellow particles. So a mixture of iron sulfur contains gray and yellow particles. Then iron 2 sulfate shows only one kind of particles that are dashed in color. So iron sulfate in something rusty like yellow color. So that's why as its color performs, it does not change. Similarly, in the iron second sulfate, one kind of particles is there in yellow color. Then the volume of ratio of hydrogen and oxygen combined to form water is 2:1. So the hydrogen is having 2 ratio and oxygen is having 1 ratio. And on being heated, baking soda undergoes dash to give sodium carbonate, water vapor and carbon dioxide. So through these elements or compounds, we can say baking soda is made. So by the decomposition process, they will decompose. Coal gives heat when burned. So this is true, as coal is having carbon, and the things which is containing carbon or in black in color, they absorbs the heat. Like in the summer season or in winter season only you have seen where you wear a black color inner, so you feel more hot than if you wear other colors inner. This is because the black color of which you are wearing the inner, it is containing the carbon in some amount, not in excessive amount. For manufacturing that product, some compounds and elements are also uses, so that's why carbon is one of it. And when you stand on the heat, you have seen that carbon which is present in your inner or clothes what you wear, the you feel more hot than any other cloth you wear. So that only example of coal is. Then rusting is an endothermic process, so this is false. Rusting is an exothermic process in which no heat is produced. Limestone can be neutralized by acid. So this is true that any base can be differentiated by the acid, as limestone is one of them. Then neutralization is an endothermic process. This is false. Neutralization is an exothermic process, also a neutral particle, some as they are not neither endothermic nor exothermic. So I hope you understood the exercise. In next video we'll proceed further with another question. Thank you.